This week, I give my sister's tiny bedroom a bohemian beach makeover with fun items we find from the thrift store and more.
Where it goes, driving through days and nights.
Well, maybe next week we'll give your bedroom a makeover. How about that?
What? Mine don't need a makeover. You already did it.
We just started in your bedroom, but we could add some more details to it.
What do you mean?
To make it more cozy.
My bedroom's cozy already.
It's time to go to sleep. I don't know if I'll be able to sleep with these heads staring at me. Should I be worried? I think I'm going to be early for church. So I never have a time to show you my outfit. I'm going through my closet and pulling out old stuff that I haven't worn, giving it a test drive, and if I don't like it today, then I'm gonna sell it at the shop. I take my clothes and sell them for like $5 and $10 if I haven't worn them. And this is an old Anthropologie dress. I think I wore this in the Mexican dresser video from way back in the day. Maybe Ellie can put in a clip. And then this denim jacket. You have those things in your closet that you wear like 100 times. This is it. Jamie makes fun of me because I wear it so much. Jamie, I don't make fun of you for the sweatpants.
You know that your favorite pants you own are the camo sweats I gave you from my shop. And you are pretty cute, that jacket.
And I always put a pair of flip-flops or sandals in my purse because I go to my sister's afterwards and I don't want to be in these all. I love this house. It is so cinematic. Ellie, what'd you put in the fruit salad? Fruit! I'm at my sister's house. Apparently there's a keto gelato. I'm gonna go get some with Alma and Danielle. How many square feet is your cute little beach cottage?
485.
It's small, but it's so stinking cute.
And we're in my bedroom right now, and it's literally 9 by 10.
But you're little, so you don't need a lot of space.
I guess.
I just feel like it needs like a spring refresh.
Yes. I don't like the color of the mirror. I like the color of my bedding, but I don't like my headboard, and I would love for it to go all the way up to the window.
So we could easily have Grandpa attach it to the wall higher, but that's going to leave a gap. So we're going to need like an old door or something to put down below it. We could take these doors off and put them under your headboard. We'll paint them all to be cohesive. Mm-hmm. Hey Dad, are you ready for a new project?
I'm always ready for a new day.
Okay, we've got a fun headboard situation for you. We could repaint this, we could repaint that. When I say we, how much of it is me and how much of it is you?
When it's my stuff, I'll work at it. Yeah.
I think a new bed cover.
I'm okay with that, but I'm on a budget.
So let's just see what we can find. We're going to the Home Goods.
Oh my goodness.
That is from Bobby, and I have to say, that was supposed to be Levi's, but Sadie saw it, and I didn't have the heart to tell her no. Okay. It's keto, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 calories, and caffeine. I think I have a new drug.
The road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high. I wanted to start with new bedding from my sister. That way we could pick whatever print we wanted and custom paint the furniture and the accessories to go with the bedding. This store is great for finding bright, colorful pillows and new bedding. While we were there, we found this beautiful piece of art. You're gonna see it coming up. As soon as I saw it, or whenever I see art like this, the first thing I think is I wish I could paint it myself. I am trying to learn how to paint flowers, and I'm just a beginner. So I did not think that I could make something like this, but I knew I had my stencils. Secretly, I had a plan.
All right, we are all loaded up. How do you think we did?
I think we did great.
We just got to Consignment Classics.
We're gonna get a chandelier. I was really hoping we'd find an old vintage chandelier, but my sister found these beachy basket lamps. Well, we had to go with that because that's what she likes.
So this is what we chose. It's all made out of rope. I'm gonna make sure it works. Debbie thinks hanging shells from it will be cool.
We loaded up the car and we headed back to Danielle's cottage because we had a lot of work to do. We just got back, and I can already tell that these aren't gonna work. These, I'm envisioning hanging right here in this space, and we're gonna put seashells around the edge. I'm gonna strip her bed and put her new bedding on.
Okay, let's go check on Mom and Debbie. What is going on in here? What is going on in here?
You're gonna take cowgirl coral and you're gonna paint a base coat of that on your headboard. It only has to be one coat. You don't need more than that. Salty Kiss, and you're gonna mix it with a little bit of white or a little bit of mint chip to get just a lighter Salty Kiss.
Okay, so Debbie wants an update. I painted the mirror over there, and I painted this mirror over here. Mermaid tail and Salty Kiss. I love everything, but one thing I've noticed is this beautiful minty bed cover has sort of accentuated the icy color on my walls. My bedroom feels really cold all of a sudden. So Debbie, help me with that. I need to warm it up.
It is Wednesday. I'm going over to my sister's house to see how far her and Grandpa got with her bedroom makeover. I'm bringing my stencils. They're all in here. We sell these cute little beach bags on the website. They're really inexpensive. I think they're $12. I just roll this up and keep it inside my other purse in case all of a sudden everybody's like, let's go to the beach. It's filled with all of my stencils right now, the flutter and the feather and the hopeful petal stencil, because I'm going to do birds on her headboard. I've got to go to the store first. I've got to get seashells because we're going to attach them to her basket chandelier, my inlay because that might be an option. I also want to get a transfer because I think I'm going to apply that to the mirror. And then I have one more thing. I got this canvas. It's not as big as the piece of art that she saw for $100 at Home Goods, and I'm going to try and recreate the look, and that will be the big surprise for the big reveal at the end of the video. I'm going to go in and get some supplies for my sister's bedroom and makeover. Hey, Rose did an excellent job painting the front door to the dressing room. Don't know what the inside looks like. Oh yeah, I definitely have to do something fancy around the mirror. And these are a bunch of stencil orders, just waiting to be finalized. I'm gonna grab this bronze transfer. I think this might look really good on her mirror. I also need some fancy farm girl, and I need a sea glass. I gotta get Trisha off that hook up there that Bobby hung her up. We sold her. We sell a lot of things that we make in our videos. She's from our last video. If you missed it, it was a really good video. You guys are loving it. Jenny's gotta pack her up tomorrow. Trisha, we gotta go. We're gonna pack her up really good. Thank you for purchasing Trisha. She is super excited to find a new home. I feel like I am a forensic psychologist and I should put some ice in this bag. Trisha, you're heavier than I thought. She's here, Sadie. Hi. Hello, are you ready to go?
I'm ready.
Get a house full of dogs. It's Bailey. Look who finally calmed down. What did you do since Monday?
Well, I painted that and I painted that.
I brought the Franz Botanical, which is all leafy greens. I also brought Botanist Journal, which has some warmer pinks in it. And I was thinking that we could do a little transfers around the edge. So I am going to use Poetic Pink. I'm going to use Kissing Booth, and I'm going to use Cowgirl Coral. My sister is complaining that her room feels very icy and very cold, and she wants to warm it up. So I'm going to blend these three colors together.
But I don't want it to be too much pink.
She doesn't like pink. I don't know what's wrong with her. So this is going to be a very warm, mostly coral blend.
Okay, so Debbie wants me to drill little holes in the shells. I've never done that before, so hopefully I don't ruin the shell.
How are you going to do that?
Well, I have these drill bits. Gotten the hole too low, but I can make a dangle. I got a big block of wood, so I have something to, leverage.
I blended Poetic Pink, Kissing Booth, and Cowgirl Coral to create a sunset look to go with her bedding. DIY paint is just 9 ingredients. You can water it way down and it blends together beautifully. While I was doing this, I was already thinking about all the things I wanted to do to make over my dad's room.
All right, I am heading out and the girls are painting and drilling holes in seashells. I wish I could stay and help.
You are so sad that you have to go.
Bye.
Okay, let's go find Grandpa. Dad, are you excited? Maybe next week we'll give your bedroom a makeover. How about that?
What? Mine don't need a makeover. You already did it.
Dad, we just started in your bedroom, but we could add some more details to it.
So what?
Some more details
What do you mean?
to make it more cozy.
My bedroom's cozy already.
I've asked him to do this kind of thing for me a lot, but he doesn't like it because then the slats fall out. What are you going to do so the slats don't fall out?
Well, I have to get this piece and put this piece where I cut it.
Why are you grumpy today?
Because of the insurance company that I couldn't understand them.
God, it's looking so good.
Okay, let's see, she did pink, then
No, there's no order. Slap it together. Just make the transition soft. There's no order.
Hey man, why are you yelling?
Because I don't want her to think about it too much.
Before you come for me in the comments, I like to tease my dad. I was trying to make him laugh because he was frustrated talking to his insurance company on the phone. I was just teasing him a little bit. We were all having fun working together.
What's up? I needed to go get groceries, so I just got to Fraser Farms. There is a new antique mall. Look, can you see it? It's right behind me. I'm gonna go check it out and see what they got in there.
I'm watching this for the first time as I edit the video. I had no idea that there was a new antique mall and that Ellie went there without me. And mostly I'm really upset that she didn't get that crocheted blanket with the roses on it because that was amazing.
What are you doing, Bobby?
Screwing.
He's fixing my glasses again.
Can you continue to do this?
I don't want to pay for a new pair.
They're starting to fall out, then you be more careful.
Well, you know, the screws are really small. I can't see them because I wear glasses. Bobby, you're the fixer.
Sorry.
And what's in there?
Bacon steak.
Yes, bacon steak.
Like that's all cat. Like
Oh
how big's
my
the cat? The whole
gosh.
thing.
I might eat that all in one thing. What are you doing? Don't lick the phone. What are you doing?
Dirty work.
I'm at my sister's house. She is at work. She's going to be back at 4 o'clock. That gives me 3 hours and 15 minutes to create a Mother's Day surprise for this bedroom makeover. I want to get it done so that I have it hanging on her wall when she comes home from work tonight. I'm going to walk you back there and show you the headboard, and we're just going to see how far I get. I brought all of my artist paint, so I hope I don't make a mess. That's her headboard up there. I don't want to show you too much of it because I want to wait till the reveal. I'm gonna paint the birds right here. See her pretty bedding? It's all on here on her bed, so I'm gonna have to be really careful.
I use the stencils for the artwork. We go in depth on how to use them in the last couple videos, and we have some online tutorials. We will put the link below. It is 2:42, so I have maybe an hour and 20 minutes. My sister is supposed to be home in 15 to 20 minutes, and I have made a mess of her house, and I'm nervous. The painting is not done, not even close. I'm just gonna surprise her anyway with it, and then finish it tonight. This is what her bed is looking like. Obviously, I still have work to do on the headboard. It's gonna be home in like 5 minutes. 2 inches. We're 15 and she's still not home, so I went ahead and worked a little bit more on the birds. She just pulled up.
One day at work and it looks like you have too.
Can I get your authentic reaction?
absolutely. I'm bringing flowers home. I got flowers for Mother's Day. Oh my, Debbie, so pretty.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh.
Before I show you the grand finale, Bobby had to come over and fix the lights.
Bobby.
Checking out the lamps. Is that how you want them? You crooked. Oh, it's not. It's the
What do you think of Bobby? Did he give you a cookie?
shells fell off.
Because you're manhandling.
What's going on with this wiring situation?
You weren't here, so we did the best we could. Are you a fan of the chicken? Yeah, much better. Danielle, Bobby is fixing your lamps. You ready?
Say no.
Because that is all everything.
Subscribe if you want to see if I can convince my dad to let me cozy up his bedroom in the next episode. I love you, Madeline. I love you, Madeline. To find DIY paint in your area, or to sell it in your store, or to find all the products used in this video, click the link below.
From the moment I laid eyes on you, every breath was a gift. Felt like I was living in a dream.
I love it! Look at the light, the birds, everything is magnificent.
Are you glad that you let me make over your room?
Yes.
Coming up next week, we're putting a barn door to cover my sister's closet. How do you like this job?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I don't want to answer.
My overalls. I added some stuff and some other flowers. This time I used the liquid patina, so I'm gonna test that. Jamie Ray says wait 30 days, put them inside out, only on cold water, and then line dry. I did none of that the first time. There will be a online course that is just straight beginning to end how to paint the overalls. It will only be $25, so if you're interested in it, we're gonna put the link below. I have a whole website with online courses for in-depth tutorials on the projects that we do here that would take 2 hours to put into the video. So if you're interested in that, go check out the online course down below. The other thing is I'm bringing over my little paint kit. We have these little velvet travel bags. You can put your brushes right here, and I have all my essential colors that I know Danielle doesn't have at her house. My painterly and my brushes. Really easy to just travel with this thing. You just zip it up and voila, you've got a traveling artist bag.